Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you VSCO how to cancel subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to cancel VSCO's subscription, what you need to do is head over and open up your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is tap on your Apple ID name. Now once you're inside your Apple account, what you need to do is tap on the subscription right here. Now inside subscription, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then tap on the VSCO subscription, and inside it on the bottom you'll be seeing cancel this subscription highlighted in red letters. Simply tap on that. Now tap on confirm to begin the process of the cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.